Hi, this is David from David Yacht Service. Looking at my latest rebuild engine. This one actually someone else had rebuilt a while back, but it lost a piston and it got smashed up inside. So I took that out, took it all apart, redid the whole engine, and it's doing its bench test run right now. We had a little problem with a carburetor, and so that's been rebuilt. And really looks good, runs very nice now, and we'll be dropping it back in a Catalina 30 probably this weekend or next weekend. You step around, you can see the oil pressure looking right in the middle. That's a 75 psi gauge, so we're running about 35 psi oil pressure. And we'll speed it up a little bit here. Revs up very smoothly. You can hear that from the engine sound. Sounds really nice. Kind of barks when you start it up, so you know it's really good shape. Anyway, just wanted to show you this one, and got some sunshine drifting in and out of the picture. A little hard to see at times, but anyway, hope your engine's running good, and if it's not, give me a call. We'll make it run just like this one. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye now.